Working on small wood furniture and decor pieces for profit offers numerous advantages that extend beyond simple financial gain. This approach to woodworking allows artisans to explore their creativity, hone their skills, and connect with their communities while offering a product that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. The benefits of focusing on small projects can be significant, particularly for those looking to establish a woodworking business or supplement their income. One of the primary advantages of creating small wood furniture and decor pieces is the lower cost of materials. Smaller projects typically require less wood, which translates to reduced material expenses. This affordability makes it easier for artisans to experiment with different designs and techniques without the financial burden associated with larger projects. By starting with smaller pieces, woodworkers can build their portfolios and gain experience while minimizing the risk of significant losses. This lower barrier to entry can encourage more individuals to explore woodworking as a business, fostering a vibrant community of creators. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of small wood furniture and wood decor pieces ideas you can make in a weekend for high profit. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and to give you more content in return. Moreover, small projects often allow for quicker turnaround times. In an age where consumers seek immediate satisfaction, the ability to complete a project quickly can be a significant advantage. Small wood items can be made in a fraction of the time it takes to create larger pieces, enabling artisans to produce more items in a given period. This efficiency can lead to increased sales opportunities, especially in markets where unique, handmade goods are in high demand. The ability to rapidly create and sell products can also help woodworkers respond effectively to seasonal trends and consumer preferences. The simplicity of smaller woodworking projects encourages creativity and experimentation. With less material at stake, artisans may feel more inclined to take risks with their designs. This freedom allows for the exploration of new techniques, styles, and concepts that might not be feasible with larger projects. The diverse range of possibilities can lead to the development of unique and innovative products, setting artisans apart in a crowded market. This creative exploration not only enhances the quality of their work, but also boosts their confidence as they see their skills improve. Additionally, focusing on small wood pieces can lead to significant skill development. As artisans work on various projects, they have the opportunity to refine their techniques and learn new skills in a more manageable format. Each completed project serves as a stepping stone, allowing individuals to gradually build their expertise. This ongoing learning process fosters a sense of accomplishment, motivating artisans to tackle more complex projects as their skills advance. Mastery of various techniques, such as joinery, sanding, and finishing, contributes to the overall quality of their work, which can command better prices in the market. Engagement with customers is another significant advantage of creating small wood furniture and decor pieces. Smaller items are often more accessible to consumers, making them an ideal entry point for individuals hesitant to invest in larger pieces. This accessibility can lead to increased sales and the opportunity to build a loyal customer base. When individuals purchase smaller items, they often feel more inclined to return for future purchases, especially if they are satisfied with the quality and craftsmanship. Building relationships with customers can enhance the overall experience for both the artisan and the buyer, fostering a sense of community around handmade goods. Furthermore, small wood projects can serve as effective marketing tools. Unique and eye-catching items can attract attention at craft fairs, markets, or online platforms. artisans can leverage the visual appeal of their work to create engaging displays that draw in potential customers. Smaller pieces often lend themselves well to impulse buying, as consumers may be more willing to make a quick purchase when the item is affordable and visually appealing. This ability to sell items quickly can help artisans recoup their costs and generate profit more efficiently. The portability of small wood projects is another significant benefit. Smaller items are easier to transport, whether to craft shows, markets, or even between workshops. This convenience allows artisans to reach a wider audience and participate in various selling opportunities without the logistical challenges associated with larger pieces. The ability to showcase their work in different venues can increase visibility and expand their customer base, ultimately leading to greater sales potential. Moreover, creating small wood furniture and decor pieces can be a gateway to exploring different woodworking styles and techniques. Artisans can experiment with various approaches, such as carving, turning, or joinery, without the pressure of committing to a larger project. This exploration can lead to the discovery of new interests and passions, ultimately enhancing the woodworker's skill set. As artisans become more versatile in their abilities, they can expand their offerings and appeal to a broader range of customers. The emotional satisfaction derived from creating small wood projects should not be overlooked. The act of transforming raw materials into functional and beautiful objects can be deeply rewarding. Each completed project serves as a tangible representation of the artisan's creativity and effort, fostering a sense of pride in their work. This emotional connection can enhance overall well-being, providing a sense of purpose and fulfillment that extends beyond the physical item itself. Additionally, working with small wood pieces can create opportunities for storytelling. Each item can carry a narrative, whether it's the history of the wood itself or the inspiration behind its design. Homeowners can share these stories with guests, creating connections and enriching social interactions. This storytelling aspect adds depth to the home, transforming it into a space filled with memories and meaningful experiences. The ability to convey personal stories through small wood projects enhances the overall atmosphere, making homes feel more alive and connected. The trend toward minimalism and decluttering in contemporary design makes small wood projects particularly appealing. As individuals seek to simplify their living spaces, smaller functional pieces can provide practical solutions without overwhelming a room. This aligns well with current consumer preferences, making small wood projects relevant in today's market. By creating items that cater to minimalist aesthetics, artisans can tap into a growing demographic that values simplicity and functionality in their decor. The potential for community engagement and collaboration is another benefit of working on small wood pieces. Artisans can connect with local businesses, schools, or organizations to provide workshops or demonstrations. Sharing their skills with others not only promotes woodworking as a craft, but also fosters a sense of community. Collaborating with other local artisans can lead to innovative projects and cross-promotional opportunities, further enhancing visibility and sales potential. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked small wood furniture and wood decor pieces ideas you can make in a weekend for high profit. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.